the XC60 project here today, and today we'll be installing the IPD HD wheel stud conversion kit. This is the IPD one with the steel studs, not the H&R one that's more money than this one. Both are fine. The tools you will need for this are either a 19mm or a 3/4 inch socket, a long one, a torque wrench, and a number 6 hex. So these are what they are, and then you have the nut that goes on it. The reason that I got these is because I have a big brake kit coming, and it'll make it a lot easier to put the wheel on when that's on, and I won't ding up the brakes. So the car is jacked up, and I actually weighed these with the kitchen scale, and so the stud and the nut is 3.4 ounces, and I took a lug off and I put on the scale, and it was also 3.4 ounces, so 0 weight reduction. I know if you get the Elevate ones, they are 1/3 the weight of the lugs, but I have some more weight reduction coming up in the future, so that's exciting. So to do this job, you don't actually have to jack the car up. You could just leave it on the ground and individually remove each lug, put it in, but we're just gonna take the wheel off because it's easier. And my car is pretty disgusting because roads here are kind of salty. So we're gonna get working on this. So I just got one in, and so these didn't come with any instructions at all, but I emailed Kevin at IPD and I asked him, so how do you know when these are tight? Like, is there a torque spec or something? So if you look, you'll see that there is Loctite pre-applied on the end of it, and he told me just take an Allen key, which is an Allen key number 6, and when it starts to bend, it's tight, and the Loctite will make it so that it won't come out. pretty snazzy. Now and they're on tight, and we're just gonna lower the car and torque them to spec. So I just finished the install of the IPD wheel stud conversion, and it's a pretty easy install. The only issue I ran into was that the passenger front and rear tires were actually stuck onto the rotor. I don't know why, and I don't know how, but I did get them off. That was the only trouble I ran into at all. All the wheels are on the ground. Everything is torqued to spec. They look pretty snazzy. I will admit, they do look pretty snazzy. This is the cleanest wheel out of all of them. Today I'm gonna go and wash my car anyway, and I'll post about it. But I like how these look, and just by mounting the wheels from this, they are pretty easy to put the wheels on. A lot easier than digging around with the brakes. But yeah, so this is how this turned out. Next week I have vinyl wrap coming and mirror covers coming, so I'm gonna wrap those. Then the week after that, all the powder coating should be done, and I can do my engine mounts. Then it's stage 2 time. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you guys have any suggestions of what you might want to see more of, or what you don't want to see of, please let me know in the comments, because I cannot read your minds and I don't know what you guys might want to see. But thanks for watching.